Y'all, guess what we got today delivered? Oh, the chairs are here for the dining room, okay? I am too excited. I'm about to get Donta to help me put these together. I've been waiting all day and finally we're gonna put them together. So of course I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. Also, the bench for the dining room came as well too. So let me show you guys that really quick. All right, so here is the bench. It's so cute. It matches the table, of course, and I just love it. It's definitely the perfect addition to the dining room space, but I think I do want to keep it on this side. I'm trying to decide if it is going to be on this side or the other side of the table. Originally, I did want it on the other side of the table, but now I'm kind of liking it on this side, and then maybe doing some type of like, I don't know, like a little throw or something when I style it. I don't know, styling is gonna be the most fun part, but I am loving the base so far that I'm working with. It's so beautiful, and look at this quality, y'all. The quality is amazing. I'm loving the quality. All right, anyway, before I do put these chairs together, I just wanna tell you guys really quick where I got them from. They are from Pottery Barn. And yeah, I'm just hoping they are really good quality. I've heard really great things about this company. So I'll definitely let you guys know my review on this particular chair. And yeah, I'm excited to just like see what the quality is like. I've heard really great things about Pottery Barn. So we're gonna see what this chair is gonna be like. I'm excited to see if my vision and like what I've been planning actually comes to life. I'm a little nervous, but we still have some things that we do need to add to the dining room. So yeah, but the chairs and the base are here. So everything else should be added within like the next couple of weeks, because they're just like small like finishing touches to the room. So let's get to building. Every time Donta and I put something together, it's always an event. So we're just gonna pray that this goes smoothly. Oh look, it's already pretty much together, I told you. So all we gotta do is put the legs on. Easy, easy peasy. Oh, that's perfect. Don't even have to do anything, okay? The top is already, it's already together. Here are your tools. Oh shoot. This is fancy. It has like different like little nail bits. It's a lot of screws. Oh, because it's 4 holes.
Won't need,
Remember?
Won't need nothing there enough.
Remember what happened last time?
Remember what happened last time?
Hopefully Lowe's will have a mirror. And I have to go to Lowe's too because I have a whole dilemma right now with my dining room chairs. I feel like I've been telling y'all about the dining room chairs. Well, my mom said it's the eating kitchen chairs. Anyway, you guys know what chairs I'm talking about. There were some issues in the beginning with those chairs, like just with the wood and us like kind of assembling the chairs. So,
amateurs.
Are you kidding me? Anyway, we got it together and it was fine. But like as we started having people over and they were sitting in the chairs, like doing nothing but sitting in the chairs, 2 of them, not 1, 2 of them like popped up. So I'm already at the point where I want to order like a new set anyway. Long story short, I need to find some type of adhesive to glue these chairs on the frame of it. Donta already like tried to fix it with some wood fill and like screw them in, and that worked for like the chair that was defective, but now we got these 2 other chairs that we thought were fine and now they're not fine. So we're at Lowe's. Here's the chair. It looks normal, right? It's like, it says it takes 10 minutes. All right, let's see if we can do this in 10 minutes. Remove all
one
package.
chair or all 4?
No, from 1 chair.
Oh, alright. I know they Wait, where?
Okay, remove all packaging. No, thanks. Y'all, it took 28 minutes to put together the first chair. Like, it's no way we're getting all these chairs done in 40 minutes like the direction says. The most difficult part is like the front screw, trying to put that on and use like the Allen wrench to actually tighten it. It's just a little difficult, so you really have to take your time. But it should take us like 20 minutes or so per chair. I feel like double the 10 minutes what they say. But the chair, it looks so good. Let me show y'all really quick how the first one turned out. All right, so here is like a little sneak peek of the chair. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. And this is actually like a little dupe to the West Elm chair. I was gonna actually buy that chair because I liked how it looked, but it was just the price point, it was too expensive per chair. So this was the dupe to it, and it's such a good dupe. It's literally $60 cheaper. So definitely check it out. I'll leave it linked down below in the description box. Alright guys, it is a couple days later, and I actually wanted to plan the garage in this vlog as well too, because the garage just needs like a makeover, a facelift. I am planning to like essentially use the garage as like extra storage. We do have a lot of storage in this house, which I am grateful for. We actually don't really necessarily need it as of yet, but I feel like we are growing into our space. We are kind of like purchasing, for instance, like seasonal decor and like other things that we need for our home. And then eventually, I feel like we'll have our first baby in this house as well too. So eventually we'll grow into the space, and you know, I'll need more space just in other areas, or just to maximize space in other areas. So what better way to do that than using your garage and using the space you have in there? Plus, I just need to get like the tools and stuff together within the garage. So I wanted to show you guys that really quick. This is all the like crap right now that's in the garage, and I'm gonna actually do like a whole separate video of like transforming the garage. As you can see, there's like all kinds of like oil stains and everything on the floor. We are planning to like pressure wash that like fairly soon. So that's why I need to like get this whole plan of how I'm gonna organize the garage space. So I'm thinking about using this whole little wall right here to actually like do some type of like shelving unit or something, but I want it to be closed, because here's the thing about open shelving units. It's not that I don't necessarily like them, but I just feel like it can be an eyesore when it comes to clutter, and I'm not trying to just also hide clutter behind a door either. Like, I want everything to be organized. I want everything to be also visible and have a place, but I also want to be able to like shut the door and it be just kind of very like clean and sleek in here. So I'm thinking about, I don't know, I need to look for a product that can fit this, like, I don't know, it's not a small space, but it's relatively small. Like, we park our cars in here. I usually back in, so my bumper is not like really that far up, to be honest. But I don't know, I need something that is going to somewhat fit in this area. It doesn't have to come all the way over there. Actually, it might make more sense if it does start right here and come right here, just because we do walk in between to like get to the door. But I don't know, I need to put something right here just to kind of maximize the space. We do over here have like this little organizational tool, which I love. Donta had installed these about a year ago, and I think they're absolutely amazing. I'll try to link them down below in the description box, but essentially it holds all his tools, his ladder, his rake, everything like that. So we may honestly need a couple more, because I feel like, I don't know, we need to get rid of these boxes, one, but I feel like maybe we'll need to hang like this little like ladder, or like, you know, we have like an outdoor broom and we have this like little hose over here. So I think maybe we'll do one on this side for more kind of like, I don't know, just other things, just to maximize the space over here too. But the difficulty about like parking in the garage and trying to do organization in the garage, especially when you're parking like 2 cars in the garage, is that this is not a huge space. So it makes it a little difficult to like find a good organizational solution, because it is a smaller garage. I also feel like maybe I can utilize this little wall right here. We do put our lawnmower right there as well too. It's a little dark, but we do put our lawnmower right there as well too. But the thing about the lawnmower is that it could fold up. So I don't know. I need to like talk with Donta because he's the one that uses like all the tools and things in the space the most. So we need to like really come up with a good plan of how we're gonna like structure everything and organize everything. And then there's his tools as well too. So there's a lot to consider, okay? A lot to consider. We could use this little space too. So this is like an extra space right here next to our panel, our electrical panel. This is like an extra little space that we can use, which is actually a really good bit of space. So typically Donta car comes to about like right here. So I feel like this is all not dead space, but space that can be like utilized and maximized vertically. So I may honestly, now that I'm thinking and talking with you guys, I may honestly either do some type of cabinet right here or a tool section like setup where he can have like, have you guys seen those like little peg boards for your tools? I'll leave like the inspo on the screen, but maybe I can do like a little pegboard situation and then like a little tool like workstation. All his tools will be organized in this little station, and yeah, it will be like a working station that we can keep everything outside. I also feel like I've seen things too where people have like little, I don't know what they're called, but they install essentially like a little rack at the top of the garage, and you can store like your Christmas tree and things like that. I don't know if we're gonna do that this go round, probably maybe eventually to maximize the space, but I feel like we have enough space to where we can, you know, make it work and maximize it. I just wanna get all this crap, you guys see it, all this crap and all the crap over there off the floor. Like, it's driving me crazy every time we come in here. Again, I'm not in here like all the time, but my goal is to have every inch of this house organized to a T. And I know I can do it, okay? It takes a lot of time, it takes a lot of effort, it takes a lot of money, but we're gonna do it. That's the whole goal. That's the whole premise of my brand anyway. So taking you guys on that journey and figuring it out together to inspire you. So anyway, I wanted to plan with you guys really quick, show you guys what I'm thinking about, and we can, you know, just kind of take you through my whole like thought process of just like planning spaces, because I feel like that can be like the most overwhelming part sometimes, just figuring out like what the heck are you gonna do. All right, of course we're gonna plan in the new dining room. Well, it's not new, but now that I got the furniture here, like I feel like I want to be in here all day, every day, to be honest, because it's a vibe, y'all. Like, I'm loving the vibes that I'm creating in this space. Honestly, I can see myself sitting in here all the time. I've actually been sitting in here a lot, and I just can't wait till I get everything in here and decorate it and like pull it together. It's gonna be a vibe. But anyway, let's just kind of see what is online and do a quick search. All right, y'all, I think for the most part, I got the configuration and things that I need for the garage. So although I didn't really necessarily want to do open shelving, I feel like I'm gonna have to do open shelving in some type of way just to kind of maximize the space, and it just makes a little bit more sense economically. So I'm going for like all black like shelving in the garage. I want like the workbench to be black, everything just like all black, just to kind of keep it neutral and sleek. So I am gonna do like one closed cabinet, and I'm gonna show you everything like I'm thinking of on the screen and kind of like the inspo. So it's gonna be just one closed cabinet with two like open shelving units, and I wanted to do like, instead of the base being kind of like a regular black kind of base, I want it to be kind of like this wood base, so it has like a natural wood look to bring in a little warmth, even though it's a garage. I mean, who cares about warmth? But I do, okay? I care about warmth. But I'm still deciding if I want to do like those shelving units, or I can just go like all black. It doesn't really matter. It's gonna be black regardless. The reason why I do like the ones that do have the wood base though, because they are a little like, they have a little bit more depth than the ones that I found that are just kind of all black. And I really want them to be as deep as I can have them be, just with them being where they will be placed in the garage. So I'm still deciding about, you know, what that's gonna look like. And then I did find a workbench that will go kind of like in that little nook that I showed you guys right by the garage door. So the workbench essentially will be kind of the area where we can organize all our tools. If we want to do like a little project out there, or if Donta needs to do something out there, he can, and have his like own little like workbench space out there. So I thought that was pretty good. And then I probably will get like little things here and there, but these are like the main things I need for the garage to organize everything, to get it like looking right for now at least. I feel like the garage is gonna be kind of like a, I don't know, evolving project over time. So we'll see how that goes. But I am really happy with how like this plan is now. So hopefully in future videos, you guys will kind of see us really just getting the garage together and getting it to a good place. But yeah, I'm super excited about that and to get that started. So hopefully in future videos, I can show you guys what the garage is going to transform to. I'm super excited to go on this transformation journey with you guys with the garage. But I'm gonna end the video right here. If you like this video, be sure to hit that like button. Also consider subscribing to my channel if you are liking my videos so far and you wanna keep up with my house to home journey. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.